Hello and welcome to your YouTube channel, My Expert Doctor. I am Dr. Shalini Singh Salunke, your consultant physician. In our previous video, we have discussed what is thyroid disease, what is hypothyroidism, what are the risk factors, what are the symptoms, and what are the complications of thyroid disease if you do not take medicines properly. In today's video, we will be sharing with you some important information, tips regarding how to make your thyroid stronger. There are some do's and don'ts regarding dietary habits, what you should take, what you should completely avoid, what exercise or yogasana you should follow, and what other habits you should completely discard or not do if you want to make your thyroid stronger. By saying this, I just mean that you will be making your thyroid stronger so that your medicines regarding thyroid disease will reduce. It will not completely get away. It will just reduce in dose, and reduce dose meaning reduce side effects. So, win-win situation. Let's start today's video and make your thyroid stronger. So in today's video, we have understood everything regarding making our thyroid strong. Now, let's quickly see first of all the food items which should be consumed or must be consumed, or rather we can say are good for a healthy and strong thyroid. Number 1, seaweed. Number 2, oysters. Number 3, iodinized salt. Number 4, fatty fish, tuna and sardines. Number 5, dairy products. Number 6, eggs, chicken, red meat. Number 7, legumes. Number 8, among fruits like apples, banana, oranges, berries. Number 9, coconut olive oil. Number 10, Brazil nuts. Number 11, flax seeds, walnut, almonds. Number 12, green leafy vegetables. All these are good for a thyroid and you must consume daily in different proportions, as these are rich sources of iodine, selenium or zinc, which are important for proper functioning of thyroid gland. Now let's see the food items which you must not consume if you want to have a healthy, strong thyroid. The first is soy products like tofu, soya bean, soy milk, etc. Certain vegetables like cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, starch food like sweet potato, cassava, millets, peanuts, pine nuts, highly processed food like fast food, bakery items, confectionery items like cake, breads, etc. Tea, coffee you can consume only in moderation. Fruits like apricots and cherries. Now these food products are goitrogenic. That is, there are chances that these products will increase the risk of producing goitre or hypothyroidism. All these food products, if consumed after proper cooking in small quantity, usually do not cause any harm to thyroid. If you are liking information we are giving through our videos, please encourage us by hitting like button. Share it with more and more people so that they will get benefited out of it. If you have any question related to your health, feel free to put it on the comment box. We will answer it as soon as possible. And also, do not forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming videos. Now, we all know that exercises are good for our body overall, but even for thyroid, they work amazingly. Exercise usually stimulates your thyroid hormones and boost up metabolism. Therefore, what you can try is walk, aerobic exercise, weight training, yogas, and certain specific yogasanas like Tankasan, Ujjayi and Singhasan. Now those who have some basic understanding of yogasan can perform these yogasanas after following from a YouTube channel. They can tell you how to perform them. But those who are beginners and have no idea about yoga, please do it in a guided way. Go to a yoga trainer, learn these asanas and do it regularly on an everyday basis. We have really seen some amazing effects and impacts or results because of these yogasanas. So please do give it a try. It's not going to harm you. So just try it out. Now there are certain other ways which can help you, or other steps which can help you to have a strong thyroid or a better functioning thyroid. Number 1, you can manage your weight, which is very important because thyroid is known to cause weight gain, and weight gain eventually cause harm to your thyroid gland. The number 2, you have to consult your doctors from time to time and take guidance. Number 3, perform yoga every day. Number 4, meditation and other activities which you find interesting are very important to relieve stress. Stress is one of the factors which cause harm to your thyroid gland. Hence, stress management is very important. Number 5, you should have a proper sleep of at least 7 to 8 hours every day. That is for a healthy recovery of your gland. Number 6, you should follow healthy plate method. That is 50% of your plate should have fiber, 25% should have carbohydrate, 25% should have protein, remaining in minimal quantity with fat and the nutrients. Then next, number 7, you have to avoid in eating or cooking food items in plastic, non-stick cookware, aluminum ware, other things. Try and use glass containers or steel containers for preserving food items. Then last, number 8, regular lab test every 3 monthly for dose adjustment. Now let's discuss some do's and don'ts of thyroid medications. I'm sure those who are having hypothyroidism are taking these medications and they know how to take it. Early in the morning, empty stomach, etc. But I'm also sure that more than 80% of you are taking it in a wrong way. There are certain things which probably most of you are not knowing. So now for this part of the video, be attentive and be very alert. The first thing is, it's a lifelong treatment required as it is a hormone replacement. So you cannot remove the medication out of your routine without the advice of a doctor. Second, take these medications as prescribed by a doctor every day, empty stomach, early in the morning. Number 3, take breakfast 30 minutes after taking thyroid medications. Number 4, keep gap of minimum 1 hour between thyroid medications and any other medicines that you are taking for routine, like diabetes medications, hypertensive medications, cardiac problem medications, and many others. Repeat tests every 3 months. And if you have mistakenly not taken the medication on a particular day, if you've forgotten it, you can take 2 tablets the next day and then continue the routine similarly as you were doing earlier. Now something very important. Iron and calcium supplements, those who are taking these supplements, they should take it after 3 to 4 hours of your thyroid medication, minimum. Now next, last but not the least, those who are taking proton pump inhibitors and similar antacids should take it at least 2 hours after taking thyroid medication, because once you reduce the acidity of your stomach, thyroid hormones or medicines will not work. So these last 2-3 points are very important, and I'm sure most of the people are doing it in a wrong way. Now in coming videos, we will be sharing some important information regarding some important health conditions. Till then, stay safe and stay happy at your place.